Hello, Stephen, Junior Intern here at webamon. Going to very quickly show you today how to use webamon's basic search to search and query the web at scale. Two ways to get started: the online version, google.webamon.com, or the command line interface, which we can install with pip install webamon-cli. We're going to use the CLI version today. If we run webamon, we see all the commands available. And if we run webamon -- version, today we're using 0.2.3. Getting started with the basic search is very easy. We'll do webamon followed by the search command, then followed by the string we want to search for. If we just run with these commands, it will by default look for WhatsApp in the document object model, the page title, URL, and the tag. So here we can see for WhatsApp we've got 881,000 results. And if we want to go to the next page, we can just copy and paste the command down here. And we can adjust the size if we want. And we can also change the format to JSON. And we can replace JSON with CSV, and it will automatically save the report to CSV. Because we search the tag for what we look for, so in here webamon search, and we'll do our newly registered domain tag for domains registered on the 2nd of August. This is going to return our newly registered domain feed for the 2nd of August. This all happens because the string we specify in the webamon search, it will look for that in the page title, URL, document object model, but also the tag. So in this case it's going to find hits for our tag and return them. If we wanted to adjust the size, we can use the -s, go anywhere from 10 to 500, and then we could paginate through each with the command it shows at the bottom. So webamon search, the tag, and then we use the from flag and the size flag to move through the pages. That was the webamon basic search, and if you want to get started, you can pip install webamon-cli, or you can use the online version, which is google.webamon.com. Thank you and happy hunting.